Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do self-employed tax returns. First, understand your tax obligations, which include income tax and self-employment tax. It's crucial to track all your income and deductible business expenses throughout the year. You'll also need to determine if you should pay estimated taxes quarterly to avoid penalties. Finally, ensure you file the correct forms, such as Schedule C and Schedule SE, with your annual tax return. Accurate record-keeping is vital for self-employed individuals. You must report all gross income from your business, including any amounts reported on Form 1099 NEC. Equally important is deducting all ordinary and necessary business expenses, like office supplies or business travel. Keep detailed records for at least 3 years to support your claims. Utilizing accounting software can significantly simplify this process, helping you stay organized and prepared for tax time. As a self-employed individual, you generally need to pay estimated taxes quarterly if you expect to owe at least $1,000. Use Form 1040-ES to calculate and make these payments, covering both income and self-employment taxes. When filing your annual return, you'll report your business's profit or loss on Schedule C. Then, use Schedule SE to calculate your self-employment tax, which covers Social Security and Medicare contributions. Maximizing your deductions can significantly reduce your tax burden. If you use a part of your home exclusively for business, you may qualify for the home office deduction. You might also deduct health insurance premiums if you meet certain criteria. Contributing to retirement plans, like a SEP era, offers excellent tax advantages. For complex situations or to ensure you're claiming all eligible deductions, consider consulting a qualified tax professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.